Hey there friends, welcome to DoodleToots TV. I'm DoodleToots and I love to draw. And if you love to draw as much as I do, you're in luck because today we're gonna learn how to draw an ice cream cone. Okay, so before we get started on our ice cream cone, let's make sure that we have the colors we need in order to start and complete this project. As always, we're gonna need black, that's our outline color, but let's take a look at our summer fun palette here. I'm gonna pick out a light red and a dark red. I'm gonna have that be my strawberry ice cream, so that pinkish color, and then red is probably gonna be the tongue of our silly little ice cream cone. And then I'm gonna go with a dark brown for chocolate ice cream, and then a light brown for our cone. Okay, so that's black is the outline color, 2 shades of red and 2 shades of brown. Let's get started. I'm gonna start towards the top, but not right at the top. And I am going to do a half circle here, but with a little gap in the middle, okay? Actually, probably want to make that gap a little bit bigger. Okay, and then I'm going to, at the bottom, going from this edge here to this edge here, I'm gonna do what's called a scalloped edge. And that is a series of half circles that are all connected. So let me show you. I'm gonna start here, I'm gonna come out a little bit. I'm gonna do that, okay? That's a scalloped edge. And that's gonna be the bottom of our ice cream. So the top is gonna be smooth, where it was packed in the scoop, and the bottom is going to be where it flares out a bit, okay? And then because it's a double scoop, I'm gonna come down with a little half circle here, and then just imagine it continuing through here so you get that shape right. And then I'm gonna do a scalloped edge along the bottom here again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's about right. Okay, and then I need to draw the ice cream cone. I'm a fan of the waffle cone. My wife likes the cake cone. So I'm gonna do the waffle cone on this one, and maybe we'll do a cake cone a later date. Okay, so I'm gonna start here, and I'm gonna end here where I have my lines, and I'm gonna draw a triangle down to here, okay? So let's go down and go back up. And there we go. Okay, so let's give this fella a cute little face. So let's do a line right there. And then I usually do a half circle here to connect, but I'm not gonna connect it quite completely. So I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna leave a space, and I'm gonna go up right here. Okay, and then here I'm gonna draw a tongue. So I'm gonna draw out like that, and then back in. And let's give him some teeth at the top, and color the rest of it in with our black outline here. Okay. And then we'll give him 2 little half circles for eyes, just like that. Okay, and then at the very, very top where we left this space, we want to finish it off, and I'm going to put a cherry on there because I love cherries, especially maraschino cherries that go on an ice cream. So I'm going to draw a circle shape here, but it's a little bit going to be a little flat on the top. So let's go like this. Okay. And then inside of it, I'm gonna do a little line like that, a little slightly curved line. And then I'm gonna draw the cherry stem. It goes out like that. And we'll give it a little knob on the end. Okay, and there we go. Now we have our ice cream cone. I think it's time to color. So let's go in our color palette, and I'm gonna start with this pink color here, the lighter of the 2 reds that you have. And I'm gonna color in this section here, and it's gonna be strawberry. Now you can color this whatever your favorite flavor of ice cream is. If it's vanilla, you can just leave this white. If it's maybe cookies and cream, you could leave it white and then maybe draw some half circle shapes and connect it and make like a line and a half circle, and that could be like an Oreo cookie or something like that. If you want to do 2 scoops of chocolate, you can make them both brown. Whatever you want. I encourage you to make this ice cream cone like the flavor that you would eat. So for the bottom one, I'm gonna do brown here because I'm going to have a scoop of strawberry and a scoop of chocolate. Okay. And here we go. And then, so I've got my lighter of the two reds. I have my darker of the browns here. I've done those. Now let's go with my lighter brown or cream or whatever color you have, and that's going to be our cone. So we're going to color this in completely. We're going to leave the mouth blank. We're not going to color that in yet. So leave that be. Let's go around. Color, color, color. There we go. Okay, now the one color we have left is that darker red, right? So let's grab that darker red and we'll color in his tongue. And then we'll also use that to color in the cherry. And there we go, guys. Oh man, how many of you are going to go to the ice cream store right now and get one? I think I'm gonna go right now. Just kidding. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to draw with me today, and I can't wait to draw with you next time. Goodbye. Whoa. Make sure that before you go, you like this video and that you are subscribed to our channel so you can stay connected to all of the DoodleToots TV content. Also, if you just like to color, head over to DoodleToots.com/color and you can download the coloring pages for any of the drawings that we've done so far. Get out there and have fun, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.